और कैसे लेके जाने का
Rally to the higher education office, Shikha Bhavan, and all the student organization, especially the allied organization of Rwlai kha, is organizing this rally, and hopefully present government, BJP government, will look into it in favor of manuscript, because you know it has become burning issue for long years. Therefore, I think today I really grateful to our student, especially David Morasing, Rwlai kha for leading this movement, and hopefully government will be taking a very serious issue, because this issue is not only this year, it is 50 years back. We are all demanding the Roman script to be introduced in all the institutions, and all the official language should be introduced in Roman script.
Sir, what's about the Bengali script for Kokborok language?
See, even left from government regime, they have done the survey, they have done the commission. That as you all know, this is Basa Commission headed by the Pavitra Sarkar, also recommended in favor of Roman script. It is not only the student demand, even the committee who was constituted by the government, left from government, and also the during Congress government, all the committee report was in favor of Roman script. But I don't understand why the government, the BJP government is not understanding, and our intellectual group of Tripura is not understanding, because Roman script has become burning issues. It is sentimental issue, because language is very sentiment. With this language, we can do anything. Our youth can do anything. Therefore, I think considering this issue, people of Tripura, the government of Tripura will consider, and the central government also, I request that to look into it.